This is question 12 on the higher non-calculator paper. Let's read the question first. The question says, the diagram shows a circle drawn inside a square. So circle drawn inside a square. There's your circle. There's the square. The circle has a radius of 6 centimeters, and they've indicated that on the diagram as well. The square has a side length of 12 centimeters. Work out the shaded area. So this shaded area, they want us to work that out. Give your answer in terms of pi. So they don't want us to do any workings out with pi. I'm not going to need to use the number 3.142. I'm just going to leave the pi symbol throughout. So what I'm going to do first of all is to work out the area of the square. Now, area of a square is side times side, and even though this one is the only one labeled 12, all four sides are 12 centimeters. So to work out the area of a square, it's length times width, or side times side. 12 times 12, which is 144, and these are in centimeters. 144 centimeters squared. And also need to work out the area of the circle. Now you need to remember area and circumference of circle, and hopefully the phrase cherry pie is delicious, apple pies are too. Hopefully that helps you to remember the formula for circumference and area of circle. Area of a circle is pi r squared. So area of circle is pi times the radius squared. Now the radius is 6, so that's going to be 6 squared. 6 squared is 36. 36 times pi. I'm going to write it like in algebra with the number at the front, 36 pi centimeters squared. Okay, so I know the area of the circle is 36 pi. I know the area of the whole square is 144. So the difference between those would give me the area of those 4 bits. And all 4 of those bits on the outside are exactly the same. Right, that shaded area is the same as that, that, and that. So once I find the difference between these two, if I divide by 4, I'll get the area of just that one bit, the shaded bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the difference, which is going to be 144, the area of the square, take away 36 pi. And so next bit is the area of the shaded region. Now that's going to be this bit here, 144 minus 36 pi. 144 minus 36 pi. But all of that divided by 4, because all 4 of those are exactly the same. So I'm going to divide 144 by 4, and I'm going to divide 36 by 4. Now 144 divided by 4, half it and half it again. Half of 144 is 72, half of 72 is 36. And then 36 divided by 4, well, that's going to be 9. So 36 pi divided by 4, that's 9 pi. That is my answer. That's the result for this particular question, and that's what I should write in the answer space. So if I just go down to the answer space, in that area I'm going to write 36 minus 9 pi. Now this is proving to be a popular type of exam question where they ask you to leave your answer in terms of pi. That means you don't do any workings out, you just leave pi and you treat it like something in algebra. Make sure you're familiar with this, and make sure you can do it if you get a question in it.